Yes, again, welcome to this summary. This is on a personal research on key engineering career. I've done a market analysis just to give a consultative overview of what you may find in the current market in Kenya, or what you want to do to learn, maybe as somebody who is aspiring to become an engineer in Kenya. And in other fields, I will just summarize. Engineering, when you say an engineer is somebody who solves a problem. There's a difference between an engineer and a scientist. A scientist creates a problem and then tries to solve the problem. Like people who created the COVID-19 and then they came to find the virus to cure COVID-19. We call them scientists. Engineers will now work with principles because they are looking at safety, performance, and also durability. There are many factors that based on. So they come up with a system, product, or software that solves a problem. We call them engineers. So there are many fields, or every product in the whole world that people are using, they must have undergone what we call engineering design. Engineering in the whole world actually is now the cornerstone of every item we are using. Advanced countries are developing rocket, developing supersonic or hypersonic rockets because of engineering. So you also need to understand how to go about it. But in Kenya, I'm just talking about in Kenya, there are various courses you can do. I think the first one personally is civil engineering, because civil engineering is very important. When we are designing roads, when we are designing bridges, when we are designing urban plan, when we are designing water systems or water channels, all of them you need to have done civil engineering. Basically, I know when you go to learn in universities or colleges, in many developed countries, you go to do a research in the industries so that you solve the problem in the industries. Maybe they may fund you to do a research and then you give the solution to the industries. When we come to majority of African countries, our curriculum is so funny, such that you are learning a course in the University of TVET, but you are not solving the problem in the industries. I don't know, maybe we don't have many companies or industries. So we are doing what we call push, not pull. We should be learning a course that pulls us, or pulls us by the industry. But we are learning a course in a way that we are pushing ourselves to the industry. So we are solving problems that the industry doesn't have. And per se, for you to do this, you must have understood the challenges that are facing the industries. So that's why we are still developing as African countries. We are still developing because our curriculum is not so flexible to solve what is happening in the industries. And a company or an industry should come with a problem. They give a university a problem, a college a problem. Then the college should identify people who can do as a research course, so that they fund them to do this course. At the end of the day, you are solving the problem from the industries. Okay, this was just by the way, because you need to understand if you're going to do in civil engineering, at the end of the day, because I know once you finish your course, you may say you are qualified. No, you are not qualified. You are given the mandate to read and write. But are you ready to work in industries, or are you ready to solve problems, or are you ready to create employment opportunities? So there are things that you must understand, that at the end of the course, always ensure that you master various skills. Like nowadays, automation has come into, CAD/CAM systems has come into. So you must understand how to design, and the various softwares across each paradigm or across each course that you should understand how to go about it. Like basic AutoCAD, Civil 3D, Archicad, STAAD, Pro Engineer, SolidWorks, CATIA. All these softwares are very important. Another course that you should learn is electronic engineering. Nowadays, electric vehicles are upcoming, but why are we not inventing alternative energy or more energy systems to capture or to complement or supplement the emerging electrical vehicles or electric vehicles? Are we able to? So you can learn things like power, renewable, telecommunication, automation and control, all of these in electrical and electronic engineering. Another course is mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering is now the cornerstone of aviation industry, the cornerstone of automotive, the cornerstone of heating, ventilation, air conditioning systems, the cornerstone of robotics, the cornerstone of energy. Like if you look at motor, gears, pumps, all of these are mechanical systems. Even structural are also part of mechanical systems and vis-a-vis electrical systems. So you need also to understand and learn how to design the systems or products, how to streamline your flow of manufacturing using what you call computer integrated manufacturing. And there are softwares that can also help you to do this, like design softwares like SolidWorks, Inventor, like systems like for finite element analysis and simulation like ANSYS, Abagas, Mastercam and whatever. Then another course that is so advancing is now software engineering or computer engineering. Like now in Internet of Things, AIoT, AI is upcoming, cloud cybersecurity is upcoming. So these are good softwares, or these are good courses that you can learn, and you also need to know how to program. Don't just go and learn or study software but you don't know how to code. Another course is mechatronics. Mechatronics, as I said, is just an automation of mechanical, because it has PLC, it has control sensors, mechanical systems inside, electronic systems inside, for automation purposes. We call them smart automation. That is where now the systems are coming. So this also is a good course. Like if you are automating systems, like maybe production system like Coca-Cola company, like maybe Kiwi company, like maybe a soap manufacturing company, because there is automation aspect. So you need mechatronics. Chemical industries, chemical engineering is also upcoming, because every day pharmaceuticals are changing, energy systems are changing in terms of voltaic cells, or maybe chemical energy, or even food processing are changing. So we need to understand these systems and understand the process simulations in chemical engineering. You can learn softwares like Aspin, HYSYS, or Aspin Plus, or COMSOL. These are various softwares courses you can learn. Another course is now globally is networking. So I think networking is same as software, is under software and computer. Yes, under software and computer. But you can also sell yourself through various platforms like maybe LinkedIn or GitHub or Upwork. So you can create professional way of accelerating your career or opportunities or ideas. This is mechanical systems. Mechanical systems. So you need to understand how to learn this course as a path for you to elevate your career.